How's it going?
Okay, guys, what's happening, guys? What's happening? The main is stuck. What's happening? Tambo, what's happening there, my brother? What's happening? I can see that you're in the building. Super, super nice and simple. I can feel Dumsani, nice. Powerful. Guys, open the camera so that we can see more views. What's up, man? Tabo. What's up, Henry? What's up? Kirello. What's up? KG the trader. Komoto. What's up, Junior? Samantha, what's up? I can see here. Kirello, Glenn just opened. Camera, what's up? Joe from PhD in the building, man. In the building. TJ, Java. Junior, I can see you chilling there, super nice. Tabo, Mkoena. What's up, gang? Okay, guys. Yeah, today you already know, guys. It's psychology. It's Friday psychology. So yeah, guys, Friday psychology. So we're just gonna be talking about how was the week for you guys. For others, for the chasers, it hasn't been much of a week, guys. If you can just see some of the things you didn't even get to host them because we were moving and all those kind of things. So it was just like
Yeah.
kind of like a lot. So we weren't that much involved on the market. We weren't that much involved in the market. But nonetheless, guys, we come back stronger next week. We're killing the market each and every day. You already know. Tell you, man. Over to you, man.
I will. What's good there, guys? What's good? Nice to have you guys there in the building. Nice to have you guys in the building. Eish, let me see who's here, guys. Let me see who's here. I know you guys got some great experiences this week. If you guys were trading this week, if you pressed buy or sell on your MT4 this week, I know market gave you a wonderful experience to share with us. I know. See Dumisani there in the building. I'm doing in the building, man. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear me there. Just let me know. Am I clear there, Jabu?
Yeah, we can hear you.
It's clear. Otherwise, guys, we're in the building. I see there Mamba's here to take over. Yeah, otherwise, guys, so what we're gonna be doing is, yes, Psychology Friday. So what we want to do, guys, we want to share. So we want to share in each other's experiential knowledge, and also we want to share our experiential knowledge with you guys. Obviously, market is an environment that's always changing, and because the market is always changing, that we can all share with each other and obviously learn from and grow from. So in today's session, guys, we're gonna allow you guys, we want from you guys, we just want to hear you guys' experiences. What did you guys experience this week, and what do you feel like you can do better in the coming week? So obviously, to kick off, I'm gonna reflect over my trading week with you guys. My trading week. Is the sound still okay there? Because I still feel like I'm stuck.
I can still hear you.
As long as the sound is still smooth. Cool, 100% there, man. 100% there. I left my phone. Do you have your phone? Can I just borrow it? Can you unlock it? Didn't start off very hectic. Yeah, and just go to the Chasers live stream. Cool. So my week wasn't very hectic. Wasn't very hectic in terms of like how much I've been trading. But in terms of the positions that I got, I guess I can say I had an okay week. Some nice experiential knowledge there. Trading, I think the major positions that I got myself involved in was US 30, New Zealand dollar CAD, and AUD USD. AUD USD. And I think the AUD USD we sent is 1%. We secured 3% there. I think yesterday I think I really secured 3%. Whatever the market was gonna give us in addition, that was just our bonus. So in some trading week, it was just a fair week. But now let's talk about the team usually are. even though you had the opportunities to be attentive and be there in the market, you just weren't. And I guess it's not the worst, the worst thing in terms of psychology. I guess it's just something to think about. That you always just want to slowing down. That's the time that you put your foot back. You put your foot back on the accelerator. Like if you feel yourself slowing down, whether it's you slowing down in terms of a routine that you had in the past, whether maybe you used to analyze weekly or you used to back test often and now you've slowed down on that process, that's the time that you put your foot down on the gas, and that's the time that you add more and you keep on moving, because you want to keep the momentum going, guys, because it keeps something that's already moving going than to start moving something that has completely stopped. And I can tell you guys that if you think about that in terms of like the habits that you guys have, the routines that you guys do, it's going to give you, because you'll see that how yes, it's going to be difficult to start something new, but once you got it going, when you stop, it's so much, guys. But otherwise, I think that's kind of my reflection of this week. That's my reflection of this week, guys. I don't know if I can open it up there. Maybe Java's got wants to share with you guys. Otherwise, please, guys, don't forget the type your experiences, how you guys felt about this week there in the chats, or maybe raise your hand just so that we can get some input from you guys as well. But otherwise, can I unmute you, Java?
What is up, guys? It's a very nice Friday morning, and
See you, fun.
here it is. Hey, what's good, guys? What's good? It's a very good Friday for me. I didn't take trades at all. Like I didn't even look at my MetaTrader. To a certain extent, I thought I was not a trader anymore because we were doing a lot of moving around, packing and moving things and arranging our new space. Much of a trading week for me. I took it lightly. I was mostly relaxing, but I was checking out the market to see how things are progressing. And I saw a lot of moves, especially on US states. There were nice moves which I could have capitalized on if I was on the market. But overall, I didn't trade. I don't want to lie to you. I didn't trade. So in terms of break, even though it was not an intentional type of break because of circumstances, but for me, it was a nice break. Because sometimes the market can be stressful. Once you're there, you are in forever. So we can start off and looking forward to how the NFT will present since we are starting a new month, presents itself in the market. Big news that everyone is looking forward to. So we're also looking at that side. But apart from that, in terms of trading, I haven't traded this week. I was just taking some time off, picking up things and arranging a new place to work. And I don't know if Mamba has been working this week, or has Mamba looked at the markets? Mamba, where is he? Where is he? He has disappeared. He's there. He's there.
Yeah, so guys, let me just go through the chats there, just see what you guys are saying there in the chats. I see that Tumisani saying, Tremaine, what's up with the shades? What's up with the shades? Nah, I'm shading it up, guys. I'm just shading it up. There's nothing going on. I'm just feeling myself, so I just want to wear some shades.
Yeah.
I see Tabo saying there, hello guys, I hope you all good. Yes, we are, Tabo, we 100%. Tabo, they're saying my network is bad on my side. Don't mind me when I'm out of the meeting. No stress. 100%.
The market is slow. Maybe it's a build up to
Sorry,
the NFT.
guys.
Yeah, probably. It could be one of those where the market. Yeah.
No, I was like, can I share about my experience this week in my trading? quickly because now I'm on the road
No problem, man. Go ahead.
and my network is bad. I'm on the road, so I just wanna.
Your network is fine, Samkelo.
Okay.
Carry on.
All right, guys. Oh, this week, it was really hard. Like I'd find the perfect setup. I just also feel like I need to backtest my pairs more because I'd find myself in a day buying and selling, the same pair. And not because I do not know what I'm doing, but just like a lot of emotions have been interfering with my trades. They say proper preparation prevents impacted my account in a negative way. I just realized that I just need to really focus on psychology, which will create a multiplier effect, which will have a positive results for my risk management and my strategy. Yeah, psychology is like really important. I saw it this week.
That's so true, dude. Like, if you look at the situations that you come across, that you go through as a trader, if you think about how all those situations present themselves, it's literally the exact same situations just looped over and over. Lost money, the way you're gonna lose money now is the same way you've lost money before. The amount of money maybe you've lost before might be the same amount of money you lose today. The amount you can make today, the time you might take, the way the market will stop, exactly the same, right? And if you think about it, the one difference, the one thing that causes the difference is you yourself and how you respond to each of those situations. Obviously, the way that you're going to respond is influenced by a number of different things. And so if you think about it, really all that you're trading, your biggest demon is this trade to do everything perfectly or to do the things the way that you would like them to do. That's your biggest demon. And by what you're doing, something within yourself that you want to do better, that already just it's so obvious that you already have a deep level of self-awareness. And that's literally what you need to focus on, that self-awareness, that thing of constantly observing, what is this trader doing? Yes, I know what I want this trader to do, but what is this trader actually doing? Because what this trader is actually doing, I can use those things. Yes, I know what I want this trader to do, but to be able to manage this person and mold this person, I need to see what they are actually. And I'm so happy in the direction that you're moving into. I'm happy in the direction that you're moving in. Big ups to that, man.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. I really feel encouraged. Appreciate it, Tremaine. Thanks a lot.
Always.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on there in the chats. I see Dumisan is saying there. I took 5 losses this week. Not even gonna attend NFP. Not even gonna attend NFP. I think I'll just sit out. I'll just sit out. I'll be sitting out. Otherwise, in terms of the losses, I guess I don't know how you're, because I know that there's a system. Is someone talking?
No, carry on.
I think that was it.
Oh, it's German Queen.
I was saying that your network is cutting, but you can carry on.
Okay. I hope it's gonna get a little bit smoother. But yeah, I was just saying that I don't know how your system performs losses in a week. That could just be a normal thing for your process, for how the statistics form in your process. I think what you should do to develop that confidence, just to develop that, and just for more solid, I guess, psychological, is just maybe later, like to get just to get a picture, an idea of what your losses in a week, something that's abnormal thing. Like, is that something that you should be expecting within your statistics or within your probabilities? So just to give yourself a better psychological foundation, because yeah, I don't know how 5 losses affected you. Maybe a thing to tolerate in terms of your risk tolerance. then yeah. But if there is an issue, or if it is, build that good psychological foundation. But otherwise, I see you there. I see you there, man. I see Moa saying that, to be honest, this week was my best trading experience during NFP week last.
don't know.
Last year. To be honest, this was my
Just confirm. Let me just ask Eva to take over if you guys can't hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Guys, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
But I can't hear Mamba though. I can see that he's speaking, but I can't hear him. Can you hear him?
Man, the network is messing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, now I can hear you.
Mamba must take off those headsets.
Okay.
Take off those headsets, man. Hey, loud and clear, dude. Loud and clear.
Okay, guys. Me, personally, guys, on my side, it hasn't been that much of an effective week because I've been like so busy up and down in the streets, trying to fight people and they're trying to fight us, but we always came out victorious. But on the side of business, guys, I wasn't involved so much in the market. Maybe two or three. The last two I just looking now. I'm currently running on short. I'm on short position on Euro USD. So those are the only trades that I just like experience, and I think I chose in I think 1% on 1% winning, and then now I'm running just about 0. So nothing so major, to be honest, guys. Nothing so major on the side. It has been like a productive thing. Yeah, so which now I'm just mastering
Can you
that.
still hear this guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Implemented.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Can you hear me?
Dude, the network is very bad.
I don't know why. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, we can hear you though, but the network is bad. He's coming here, guys.
And on the morning,
I don't know if you guys can see, but he's coming. I don't know. He's here, guys. He's here. He's asking, why is the network?
I don't know. I think this is the first day we experiencing this like major breakdown. But yeah, we always fight, guys. They'll never fight us because we are from the streets, so we are attacking guns and everything. When they're providing us with these networks, they can't do anything, man. But yeah, guys, I think you can hear me from Tramen's laptop. So that I just wanted to share a bit of my week. So I do believe that you heard me. Yeah, so like in terms of like live trading, we didn't. I think we only traded once, if not twice. I'm not sure. I think yeah, once or twice trades us today. So it wasn't that much of a week for me. I wasn't too much involved in the market. Losing some nice profit, like 1% on the previous position, and now I'm just holding just like 0.5%. Obviously, nothing that is not something that I'm happy about. Like, close 1% on a position, guys, like a 1:1 RR, which is not something good. But nonetheless, because it's Friday, I want to take things as easy as I possibly can. A good weekend, so that we're gonna have what a good week. I always say this: the most important time of the day is the morning and the evening, guys. When you plan your day and when you execute the plan. So if you understand that, it's very important to end the week on a good note, because if you end in a bad note, you probably not gonna start on a good note as well, because your mindset, like your mind is down. So if you end the week in a good, clear mindset. But guys, I'm not saying that if you had a bad week, if you have a bad Friday, then now there are things that all those things, because at the end of the day, we're all humans, guys. We're still gonna experience those emotions. You still gonna feel sad when you take a loss and all those things. But as part of the game, we just have to like allow ourselves to like what's happening?
Nothing.
Allow ourselves to like heal and then move on from those losses, because they're never gonna go away. We'll always be consistently taking those losses and those wins. So one thing that you can do for yourself, guys, is to learn to accept those losses and move on. So even if you had a bad Friday, you can still like maybe go to a gym or take a walk or do anything just to clear your mind, take your mind off the chart, and then you come back with a clear mind to say, now I wanna make what I lost. Okay, obviously that shouldn't be like the primary goal, but the primary goal should be like you want to protect your capital, obviously. But then again, guys, you want to make money at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, guys, my week overall it wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad. But I'm not happy with my RR. But so far, whatever the market gives me, I take home. So yeah, guys, that's me. That's me with my week. Yeah.
You see, this trade market gives me up. Just take it. These guys, they're moving in the shadows. They're moving in the shadows. Yeah, I see during NFP week, and this week I decided to be patient, and it paid off. How so, man? How so? Give us some more detail. Still good risk management. I see. I'm not blue $60 account equity. Okay. I understand there. I understand. To be honest, this week was my best trading week. Oh, I killed EU and DXY. Always more. Always. I see that there. I see that. Princess Far, are you there? Are you in the building?
I'm in the building.
How was the trading week, German Queen?
My trading week was so phenomenal because I believe that I did something with my trading plan for this week. I little bit changed from scalper to a scalper and a day trader, and it really worked. It really worked. I'm so being patient with that.
I.
This week was a very good week.